Hello folks, John here at E.C.D Auto Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Today we'd like to chat with you about Jaguar's E-Type timeless interiors. Now, as many of you may know already, Enzo Ferrari himself coined the E-Type the most beautiful car ever built. And although he was mainly referring to the shape of the exterior at the time, I believe also the interior is indeed one of the most remarkable designs that we've seen, especially during that time. I believe that at that point where manufacturers were really focusing in the aesthetic and ergonomics of an interior in the car, this was definitely paramount, and one of the things that went into consideration for Jaguar designers while coming up, of course, with the E-Type. The beauty about it is it's simple, of course, yet it has so much detail, intricate pieces, of course, that make up this amazing interior. The placement of the gauges, how buttons and switches are close to your fingertips. Things were taken into consideration that perhaps were not as evaluated before. And you can see it, of course, in how couture the seats are, how well everything blends when you're sitting down, of course, how your levels and switches and everything else like that is in proximity, of course, to the driver. So it's definitely a driver-focused type of interior, and it's again something that was really well thought out. And at the time, of course, maybe they didn't realize that they were building some of the most iconic interiors and overall automotive design. Another one, of course, of the interesting influences that you see here is the instrument cluster with all these gauges. We might say that it is aircraft-inspired type of cabin where you see all these clocks, of course, very analog, and also providing information to the driver as they're enjoying, of course, a stroll with the vehicle or taking it around the track if that's the case. All in all, I think Jaguar E-Type still transcend all the changes in design that we've seen over decades and decades, and it still remains a particular styling that also captures the imagination and inspiration for many enthusiasts and aficionados of this type of classic cars.